So Ryan was having trouble with measuring. So I got him a different way of measuring.
Foolproof.
Yep. You gotta make sure it's straight over here though when you do it. That way you know to bolt back together. Looks like we're close. Put the ear on the correct direction?
Yes.
Once you stand up on the back side here. Stand it up on the back side. There you go.
Dang it. We're gonna be like, how long does it take to put a nut on?
As long as it takes.
That's a good answer.
As long as it's done accurately, I don't care how long it takes. It just has to be done accurately.
I need to get a wrench for that.
You need a wrench? Why?
It's a little tight.
Doesn't look very accurate, does it? Oh, look at that, you can get to it now. Just gotta hold it over square though. We're about in there. Got an oil leak already. Look, you got an oil leak.
Oh. She wants to run.
So it appears that there are some large differences in numbers here. Why don't you use a socket under there?
Because he has my socket wrench.
Why don't you use a different socket?
Because that wasn't available.
Oh. There might be some available if you go in the front and look for them. Here's about 1/8 of an inch off right now. So once you get the right socket, let's go around. Go up front and grab one. So I ground that down to fit in there nice and tight. Now it doesn't fit. Oh well. Big gap. That's what happens if you don't mock it up correctly. My guess is this one's too far down that way. Yeah, we'll put it about like that. And that's close back here.
Okay.
Let's tighten this side down first. Let's tighten this side down first.
Oh, this side.
Once you put the socket where it belongs.
You're flustering me.
Yeah. You're not going to loosen it now?
No.
You purposely made it loose and not tighten. I saw you do it.
Is this where we want it to be?
Well, when you tighten this down, you didn't shove it all the way forward, so now it's too far back. You have an issue with your mounting system's not very good. So you have to shove it forward, and then tighten it down best you can.
That's as forward as it's going to be.
And tighten it down. Okay, don't get too carried away. Lock up. Now you gotta make sure this is centered. Does it look like it's centered to you?
No. No, it more or less is.
Let's clean the oil off your fingers, because now see someone put their tools in the oil that they didn't clean up after they made the mess. And guess what? Now their tools and hands are full of oil.
And pants.
And soon to be, the welding area is going to be full of oil, which will make it nice smoke and burn real nice. Okay, where's your wrench? Tighten it up. I'm holding it for you. And if you turn the socket so it works correctly, it's a lot easier.
It just wasn't. Didn't have enough to ratchet.
Pinching my finger. See how my finger looks like it's pinched? Because you keep shoving that damn wrench on top of my finger when I'm holding it?
But this thing.
Yeah, well, you don't have to shove down real hard against my finger when you do it. You can just put light pressure on it. Okay, that's good. You don't have to hold it too hard. Just holding is all you're doing. See a little bit of a gap fill now. Now you got the what you want on this side, or you want to move this a little bit? It looks like it shifted to me. Yeah, that's why the gap is so big. I would go the other direction. There you go. You got it where you want it yet?
I'd say right about there.
Well, you could look right here and see that that side's way more forward than this one. Or you can put a straight edge in here and go like this, and see that it's like a 1/4 inch away. Yeah, it's about a 1/4 inch away. That one's about 1/8 inch.
I would say that's probably it there.
You like that spot?
Yeah.
Yeah, the gap's not so big anymore. Imagine that. Alright, so you ready for some welding? Who's gonna weld it?
Probably not me.
Not you?
How about Gus?
Gus messed it up.
Everybody knows I can't weld. Didn't you read the comments?
Everybody knows I can't work on my bike either.
That's right. You prove it every day. Look at that.
Yeah.
Okay, we get the weld out, weld this up, we'll be back.
We lost the nut.
It's smoking hot. Oh, look at that. The bolts fit in the hole. And the spare. I'm going to have to grind the washer away slightly for a washer, though I screwed up a little too close.
Oh, I never ran a washer before.
I put a nice big fillet in there to make a good fat bead. Then I accidentally welded the backside. Where's that drippy part?
It's probably coming out of here. Oh, yeah, it is.
The oil appears to be a little warm. It's making a mess everywhere.
This is not.
So I welded this one up pretty good all the way across. I put big fillets in the corners to help keep it from breaking there. And then somehow I accidentally slipped and got the wrong side. And welded the snot out of that side over there too, so it won't be so bad. So we got to grind this flat, so these are sitting flat now, so it'll sit on the frame good. The first thing you need is tighten this up so we quit leaking oil out of it. And then we go test fit on the bike, make sure it fits on the bike. That'll be the next thing to do. So now this washer is tied in all the way to the oil tank now, because it had a big gap between it and the tank before. Okay, it's good. Hopefully it quits leaking. Okay, where's your oil hole at? Keep that side up. Okay, bring that over here. We're gonna do some grinding. I got these toolboxes in my way now. What happened? That's what I thought. Got room for all those tools in here.
Here's a primary chain.
Primary chain here? What, in the shop?
A diamond one, too.
Ooh, look at that. Where's that at? Oh,
Right here.
jeez. Look at that.
Is this Smitty's old stuff?
Ooh, look, there's all kinds of chains in there. Yeah, that looks like Smitty's pile. Those are his reject chains.
Oh.
Those are like virgin for you.
Yeah. No more dollar swap meet stores.
Any airline?
Huh?
Airline. You gotta grind these off flat. I have a flattening tool right here. It's flattening oil tanks. This flattens oil tanks really nicely. What do you think?
We'll see.
Let's stay put. That's the question. You get full of sparks there. cosmetic than anything. It readies the edges off. The flap leaf always digs in the front and cuts the leading edge real bad. See how it cuts this edge right here away I don't want to cut. That's what they do. Your old leaker's over there. Going that way. Okay, let me do something about this here. And this never got welded correctly here because you don't like it that way.
Well, it wasn't broken yet.
I like it that way. It's fixed correctly. So we're going to come across here like this. There should be room for a washer in there now.
I never ran a washer before.
Well, you get a wrench in there. How's that? If I come out with this one, I get even better. More radius to it, see? That'd be a lot better if I said that tank didn't quit moving around on me. But that makes all the fun.
Gotta have fun here.
Get chasing around.
Yeah.
Alright. It won't break. It's not the prettiest wheels in the world, but they're solid.
That's alright.
They ain't going anywhere. It doesn't matter what it looks like on the outside, it doesn't matter what it looks like on the inside. There's no porosity in those welds. And I grind welds, they're solid. That's what you want. Solid. Okay, where's your bike?
Right here?
Does that look like your bike?
Yeah.
Where's your bolts? A couple bolts?
I have my bolts.
I got 2 bolts here too, in case you need them. Okay, let's just lay it in there and see if it all lines up. The bolts go in there. Goes in from the left, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
It doesn't fit very good on this left.
Yeah, on the other side.
It's the other guy's left.
From that side?
Maybe. You got too much shit on your left side. I'm thinking the right side's clear. If you move the kicker out of the way, it'd be a lot easier. Here, it goes like this. Why are you in gear?
Huh?
Can you put me in neutral, sir?
Oh, because I was taking the thing off earlier.
There you go. See, now you have an ear issue.
Yeah.
It comes out real easy when you don't have no ears on it, but when you got the ears on there, it don't fit no more.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to take the fender off now.
Probably. I'm pretty well guarantee you that. Oh well, more work. Yeah, we didn't plan ahead that far. Alright, more work to be done later. So that'll give you something to do tomorrow if you want to come by.
You gonna be here tomorrow?
Yeah, I got nothing better to do.
Well, I
My
guess
day off. Well, what else would I do on my day off? It's not like I got anything important to do. Alright, so let's pull the rear fender back, if not off.
No, it'll have to. I'll just take these and this one off.
Yeah, and the top one's there too.
Oh yeah, so pretty much the whole thing.
Yeah, it's pretty much a sissy bar fall, but yeah, be about the whole thing. Yeah. And put the tank back in the hole where it belongs. Are you done cleaning that, or we still gotta do some more cleaning?
I'm done cleaning it.
You got oil coming out, not cleaning. I don't think you cleaned it very well yet.
I think it's solvent.
I think you need to clean it better. That was oil that came out of that tank, not solvent.
Okay.
I think you need to clean it some more. You didn't clean it enough yet. So I'll probably clean the tank some more, and then we'll put it together.
Ooh, I need to fix this thread a little bit.
Yeah. Somebody hit it with a hammer. We'll deal with that too. It's called hit it with a grinder or the thread got nailed.
Probably.
Alright, that's it for tonight on this one.